Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're focusing on building a strong back, which is crucial for relieving pain and improving posture. A stronger back can help reduce tension, improve alignment, and increase overall strength. The best part? You don't need any equipment, making this workout accessible for everyone. So, make sure to follow along and focus on proper form throughout. Let's get started with a warm-up to prepare our muscles and joints. First, we'll do the cat-cow stretch 5 reps to loosen up the spine and warm up the back. Next, let's move on to arm circles. 10 reps forward and 10 reps backward to warm up the shoulders and upper back. Finally, we'll do side stretches 5 reps per side to stretch the obliques and lower back. Remember, warming up is essential to prevent injury and improve mobility. Now, let's dive into our back workout. We'll start with the Superman hold. Lie face down, lift your arms and legs off the ground and hold for 20 seconds. Focus on engaging your lower back and glutes. Repeat this 2 times. Next, we'll do the bird dog. Start on all fours, extend one arm and the opposite leg, hold for 2 seconds and switch. Perform 10 reps per side, focusing on balance and core engagement. Moving on, we'll transition from child's pose to cobra stretch. Perform 8 reps slowly and with control, stretching the back and opening the chest. After that, we'll do the seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended, hinge at the hips, and reach for your toes. Hold for 20 seconds, focusing on stretching the lower back and hamstrings. Next, we'll do wall angels. Stand with your back against a wall, arms bent at 90 degrees, and slide them up and down. Perform 10 reps, focusing on shoulder and upper back engagement. Then we'll do the thoracic spine rotation. Sit cross-legged, place one hand behind you, and rotate your torso toward that hand. Hold for 5 seconds per side and repeat 5 times. Finally, let's finish with the bridge pose. Lie on your back, lift your hips toward the ceiling, and squeeze your glutes. Hold for 20 seconds and repeat 2 times. Great job, everyone. Alright, now it's time for the cool down and stretching. First up, let's do the child's pose for 20 seconds. This will stretch your lower back. Next, we have the seated spinal twist. Hold this for 20 seconds on each side to stretch your spine and obliques. Finally, let's do the cat-cow stretch for 5 reps. This one really helps relax your spine. Cooling down is super important to reduce muscle tension and improve flexibility. Now let's talk about some tips for better posture. When sitting, make sure to sit with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor. For standing posture, stand with your weight evenly distributed, shoulders back, and chin parallel to the ground. Also, remember to take breaks to stretch if you sit for long periods. And using ergonomic furniture can really help support your back. To wrap things up, let's recap the benefits of today's workout. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. We'd love to hear about your progress or any questions you might have, so please share them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fitness content. Keep up the great work.